In this video, I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT to convert a SQL query into a CSV file in about 1 minute. Here we have a little bit of SQL to get some data out of a table. There is an inner join and there is a limit on the amount of data that we get. And what it's going to produce is this CSV file right here with a whole lot of regular fields and JSON fields, and we can see the data here. So the prompt for this was simply Postgres select data and write to CSV file, and I posted in the query here. And what it did was start to write some results based on Python. I decided I wanted Ruby, so I just added in Ruby to the end of the line, rerun the prompt, and we got a working piece of code. I took a copy of this file, filled in the database details here, saved it as script.rb, and then from the terminal ran ruby space script.rb. And the result was this CSV file.